What's up, everybody? This is Beast from Beauty and Beast Journey. I've been challenged by Cocoa Empire to do the mustard and apple challenge. So I'm gonna try to break her record of 4 minutes and 29 seconds. So I'm gonna try to do it in 2.5 to 3 minutes. So let's get started. Let me coat my apples with this mustard. Let y'all know I ain't got no baby slices. These some big dog slices. So let's get started. So Beauty's in the background. I don't know what I got myself into by saying this, but I could do it. So tie me up, honey. Let's go. Count me down.
Hold on.
See, she ain't. I'm ready for it. I'm ready. So.
Okay, you got 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Let me put it on the clock and see. Hold on.
All right. So, go. Okay.
I ain't gonna lie, babe. I think you're actually doing good because your slices is huge.
I'm about to 2 minutes more. The hard part, filling these apples. Dynamite. Done with 24 seconds left to go. They don't call me Beast for nothing. And I didn't even have my Marley. Thank you for watching, spending time with Beast. Appreciate the time. If you want to try it. If you can beat my time, go ahead, go for it. I still have 25 seconds left to go. See you when I see you.